Tutorial video of Imo Demo modules Germs on My Hands. Game objectives. Mothers shall gain deeper understanding on how washing hands with soap and running water is of utmost importance to children. Target participants, mothers and nannies. Duration 15 minutes. Key message: always make time to wash hands properly with soap and running water despite mother's hustle throughout the day. Washing hands with only water just won't do in killing germs. Equipment A. Black glitters, water gallon with tap and bucket, cooking oil, cue cards for 5 steps of hand washing. Hand wash soap. Equipment B. Bread, 3 sheets of black colored paper, written as follows: Mrs. Sri, Mrs. Budi, Mrs. Rumpi. Now, before we begin, let's first do the hand washing cheer for greetings. Game steps by step. First, get the equipment ready. Then, kindly introduce to the game. Game procedures. A. Invite 3 willing participants to come forward and play the roles of Mrs. Sri, Mrs. Rumpi, and Mrs. Budi. B. Explain the game's procedures step by step, from cooking oil application to the use of glitters to demonstrate germs, as well as the rules of each player.
Ceritanya, ketiga orang ibu ini sedang membersihkan rumahnya sebelum menyiapkan makanan kepada anaknya. Tangannya saya kasih glitter ya Bu ya, ini diibaratkan sebagai kuman-kuman yang menempel. Diratakan semuanya ya. Dari 3 orang ibu ini mempunyai kebiasaan yang berbeda. Ibu Rumpi ketika memberikan makan kepada anaknya tidak mencuci tangannya terlebih dahulu. Untuk Ibu Budi, kebiasaan mencuci tangannya dengan air saja. Ibu Sri mencuci tangannya dengan air dan menggunakan sabun saat mau memberikan makan.
Instruct Mrs. Sri and Mrs. Budi to act according to the role they played.
Untuk Ibu Sri, silahkan.
C. Instruct the 3 women to lift up their hands for the other participants to see. Participants shall be able to see how glitters cover Mrs. Rumpi's hands and Mrs. Budi's hands are also covered in glitters, to less than Mrs. Rumpi's, whereas Mrs. Sri's hands are free of glitters. Discuss the game with the participants. Get the equipment be ready before you proceed to the next game. Instruct the 3 volunteers to take a piece of bread. Then instruct volunteers to tear their bread to the sides using their palms. And tell them to lay the shredded piece on a piece of black pepper. Invite all other participants to come forward to examine the shredded piece of the bread spread across the black pepper. Discuss the output of this game with other participants and try to link it to the real-life situation in which mother who didn't wash their hands had unknowingly spread germs to their children's meal. Using Mrs. Sri's case highlight the importance of washing hands with soap. Despite the mother's hustle throughout the day, Mrs. Sri has illustrated a mother persistence and cares perfectly through an act as simple as washing her hand with soap. Explain to the participants that the habit of washing hands with soap is a model habit which every mother needs to follow through, and that despite all the hustle that everyday mothers has to go through each day, it is important to make time to wash their hands properly with soap and running water to ensure their children's well-being and safety. Conclusion: always make time to wash hands properly with soap and running water despite all the hustle throughout the day. Proper washing hands with soap is crucial in killing germs.
Lagi ya Bu ya, terima kasih, tepuk tangan.